Hello, everyone. I'm about to show you just how to find the mass of your part real quick. What you need to do is once you've made your part, come over here to the browser. If your browser is hidden like this, make sure that you click expand. Right here is the bodies drop down. So click this drop down arrow. And then there should be a body that shows your solid. If you have more than one for some reason, and I'll show you an example of what to do. Okay, if you have two bodies showing up here, hold down the control key and then click to select both. But we're just going to show this example with one. All right, so we've got our body selected. We right click, and right here it says properties. Click the properties. You should see area, density, mass, volume, physical material, appearance, a lot of stuff here. The number that you want is mass right here. I want this entire number. Okay. You will put that in the Google form.